going on? I'm trying to sleep.
Huh? Oh. The phone. Gotta answer the phone.
The doorbell's ringing. Aren't you going to answer the door?
Oh. Yeah, I know. Just give me a minute. Don't open the door.
Why not? Who is it?
Miss Makima.
Denji, have you seen the news?
No, I just woke up.
I'll give you the short version. The Gun Devil appeared without warning. We failed to defeat it. It took over a dead body and got away. That gun fiend is now ringing your doorbell.
Come on, that's not funny. Why would the stupid gun show up at my front door? Miss Makima? Well, hey, you can count on me. Lucky he came to us instead of the other way around, huh? Saves on travel fare?
Denji. This time, don't think about anything while you fight.
Hey! Why can't we open the door?
Makima says it's a gun fiend at our door. I guess.
What? You're talking nonsense.
No, really. Makima said so.
You're such a fool. Top Knot still hasn't come home, remember? He's the one ringing the doorbell. Hey! That's you right, Aki!
Power. Take Meowie and leave from the balcony.
What? Why?
Power!
Come on, Meowie. We're going outside for a walk. From the balcony.
It's just in case. That's all. There's no way some stupid gun guy would bother to come greet me, right? Miss Makima's playing a prank. Right, Aki? Is she serious? Oh, so this is for real. Gotcha. Well, do we fight?
Denji.
Why do you know my name?
It's so cold. Why did I go outside? Denji? Oh. It's a snowball fight.
My apartment! Ah! Denji!
Power died! It was a gun fiend after all! I'll take care of him!
Gun fiend? But that's not possible!
Huh?
'Cause it was Aki sent in the entranceway.
Don't lie to me right now.
Power, you're here too. Okay, you're on Denji's team. Eat this.
Denji!
Want to play with us?
Don't do it. Stop! Don't, Aki!
Ouch! Rats, you got me. Here.
Aki! Aki! Idiot! Aki! Aki Hayakawa! Can you hear me? Snap out of it! This is the last thing you'd ever want to do, isn't it? Wake up, jerkface!
I never had this much fun before. Mom and Dad are always fussing over Tayo. They never pay attention to me. But now my life is finally gotten kind of fun. Giving up? That's more like it.
Turn back into Aki!
Save us, please.
I don't want to die!
We saw you on TV.
I have kids! You gotta save them!
Help.
What? What? Great shots. Okay, take this. Huh? How come you're crying? I've never seen you cry before. Okay, I lose. I don't like snowball fights anyway. They just make your hands cold. Huh? Denji?
Big brother! I got the ball and gloves!
Oh yeah, I wanted to play catch.
Aki Hawakawa, you died in the worst possible way for the Chainsaw Boy.